little over 20 years ago, DxO revolutionized photography by inventing the DxO camera and lens module, the gold standard for image quality. But what exactly is a DxO module? Passionate photographers invest heavily in cameras and lenses. However, sensor and lens technology limit image quality. So how do we go beyond the laws of physics? A DxO module is a mathematical model of unmatched precision that describes the characteristics of a particular lens attached to a particular camera. The precision and research that go into their creation are what sets the renowned DxO modules apart. These correction profiles deliver market-leading precision and performance, offering a tailor-made solution for every photographer and their equipment. Since its inception, DxO's innovative approach has set the industry standard, inspiring many to follow. But DxO modules remain ahead of the competition, and they are recognized globally as essential by experts. To celebrate its 100,000th DxO module, DxO is opening the doors to its calibration laboratory for the first time. This state-of-the-art facility is where each DxO module is carefully designed and perfected. Welcome to the heart of DxO Calibration Lab. Meticulous measurements are taken across the entire field of view of the sensor and at each ISO setting and for each lens across the entire focal range at every aperture and every focusing distance. It means thousands and thousands of ultra-precise measurements performed for each combination of camera and lens. It's a very demanding process. Let's start with the DxO exclusive, lens sharpness optimization. In photography, sharpness refers to the clarity and crispness of an image. Lens sharpness, together with sensor resolution, determines the amount of detail that an image can contain. Thanks to the supremely detailed analysis of the DxO modules, DxO algorithms ensure optimal sharpness across the entire field of view, balancing corner sharpness and center sharpness at every aperture. Now for distortion. DxO modules measurements are so accurate and adjustments so effective that photographers can even get more field of view from their sensors. And what about chromatic aberrations? They are caused by different light waves traveling at different speeds through the lens, causing fringing and color shifts. The DxO module resolves chromatic aberrations without impacting image quality. For vignetting, DxO Lab uses an integrating sphere, a perfectly homogeneous light source covering the entire field of view of the sensor. Through precise analysis, brightness loss in the image corners is corrected without adding noise or causing color shifts. Finally, for noise measurement, DxO has developed a unique light box featuring high-fidelity neutral density filters. This ultra-high-fidelity noise profiling plays a vital role in powering DxO's Deep Prime superior denoising technology. So what does this mean? We've taken millions of test images and produced DxO modules for over 100,000 camera and lens combinations. The result? Corrections that are automatic, instantaneous, and tailor-made. So to all the passionate photographers out there, if you want the absolute best from your equipment, you need DxO modules as part of your workflow.